Using our 19mm socket, let's go ahead and remove our lug nuts. Let's get to remove our wheel and set it aside. Now the key in the on position, your battery disconnected, that's going to allow you to go ahead and grab your brake system here. Go ahead and steer that out of the way. Want to go ahead and gain access to this bolt right here using a 15mm socket in your ratchet. Going to go ahead and loosen this. And I am just going to spin this right out and remove it completely. Got to remove that bolt and set it aside. I'm going to use a small pry bar here. I'm going to put it right between here and we're going to use it as a wedge. I'm going to tap this in. This should give us some access to this upper bolt right there, or shim. Going to use a pair of pliers here. I'll go ahead and grab this here and see if we have some mobility here. What you can see is as I turn this here, you can see it's moving our knuckle. So we could continue to twist this and we're going to work it upward. Work that up and out. We're going to apply a little bit of grease on the inside of our camber adjuster sleeve and some on our upper ball joint area here. Go ahead and line this up. Get that lined up. Now what we're going to do is continue to work our camber adjuster sleeve down inside the knuckle area here. And then at that point there, once we get this secured, you want to bring your vehicle down and get your alignment performed. Using a 35mm socket and ratchet, we're going to go ahead and adjust our camber sleeve here. I'm going to set it to a neutral position here. Where the slit here is in with the slit on our knuckle. I'm going to go ahead and release our pry bar here. Install your bolt. Let's go ahead and snug that bolt down. Go ahead and snug that down. And this bolt works as a pinch bolt to pinch that upper camber adjuster sleeve. Let's go ahead and torque our upper bolt down to 85 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and install our wheel. Once we get that on, I'm going to go ahead and install our lug nuts. Going to get all these started by hand, and then we're going to go ahead and snug them down. Let's go ahead and torque our lug nuts down to 100 foot-pounds.